Meaning of darned.
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 Darned. Darned is an adjective used informally to express mild annoyance or frustration. It can be used to describe a person, thing, or situation that is considered annoying or troublesome. The term originated as a euphemism for damned, which was considered a profanity. By replacing the M with an R, the word became more socially acceptable. It is commonly used in everyday conversation, particularly in informal settings such as among friends and family. Overall, darned is a relatively harmless word used to express mild negativity.